What's up, guys? It's Marvel Mind, your mentor. Hope you guys are having a blessed day. Um, I know you guys are doing good, traders. I know you guys are trading fine. You guys are making good profit in the FX market. Yeah, sure, for sure, for sure. So today's topic, we're going to be talking about the laws involved in forex trading. There are laws involved in forex trading, which is there are rules that is always followed in the forex market. It always happens in the forex market. There are some guidelines and some things you have to understand. And when you understand them, you could use them for yourself because they are the laws involved in forex trading. So we're going to talk about all these things that happens in the forex market that makes the forex market always repeats itself. And if you can know these things that always happens in the market, and you can know whenever it should repeat itself, you will always want be able to be in profit because that has become a strategy on its own already. So if you're a trader, a beginner trader, and you want to understand these rules and these things that always happen in the forex market, and you want to be profitable in the forex market, and you need a strategy that can help you, this video is for you. All right, so I want you to hit the subscribe button so that we can get started. I'm going to give you some hints, all right, and some trades I took and how these things, these rules in the market keeps on repeating itself, and how you could make money from them. Because if you could know when they do repeat itself and when it's happened and you understand the structure, there's no how you're not going to make good money. I've done this a lot of times and this has helped me a lot of times. So I'm going to do this for you. I'm going to give you the information, all right? I'm going to give you that knowledge on how you could do this because it's an amazing strategy I use and it has helped me as a trader to bag out some good profits in the forex market. So I'm going to give you this intake, all right? And when you get the full knowledge and the information that this is going to give to you, it will help you as a trader. So let's go to our chart, all right? Let's go to our chart. Let's see. There's this trade I took, all right? I'm going to explain to you how the trade was about and how we're able to come across this trade and how we're able to take the trade and everything. So, you know, I was talking about the rules involved in trading. Now, there's one thing involved in trading. We only know that the forex market, it always buys and it sells. That's the best and the only thing that happens in the forex market. It only buys and it sells. So if the market only buys and sells and is the law that is in the forex market, when is the time to buy and when is the time to sell? Do you understand? And there are specific points where the market must get to that is not going to get beyond, because that's the law. It's not going to get beyond and it's going to reverse to its opposite direction that it was coming from. So you understand, these are just laid down rules that is in the forex market. And one thing you have to still understand the structure of the market. First of all, you have to still understand the structure of the market. So looking at this trade now, noticing this trade, you can see that the trade has hit resistance. All right, this trade has hit resistance. This is a very strong level. All right, let me point this out. This is a very strong level. All right, so this level is where this market meets and did a double top, sorry, on the resistance. And since then, the market has been pumping down. But you have to understand, even though the market is on a downtrend, all right, sometimes big buy can come into the market, all right, big liquidity buy, and this can also be a trend reversal. Okay, but when it can be a trend reversal, when you can say the trend has changed, it's not coming down to the support level, because looking at this trade, what hits resistance must come to support, you understand? But sometimes the market could buy back to the resistance at the middle of the chart, because this is specific at the middle of the chart. So for you to catch on this kind of move, all right, you have to first understand the channel of the market. This is a channel, All right, this line you see here is a shiny, all right, and you could still call it trend line, all right, but it indicates the down movement of this market, and you can see how neat it is. You can see how clear it is. It's just simple. All right, I'm just giving you some hints. All right, more of this strategy and more of this knowledge is on my book, Synthetic Formula. You have to get that book if you want to understand deeply about the forex market. You want to know what the forex market has for you, okay, and how you could gain on all these opportunities that you're seeing in the market and make good profits. So I know as a trader, when I started, I always want to be asking myself, how can I catch this so sell? How can I catch this so sell? How can I catch this buy? It all depends on the trend of the market and the volatility involved in the market. If the market has liquidity, it could go to its direction more faster, right? And if you are on the right track, you can go with it. So looking at this market, understand that the market was in a down channel, and the best place to buy in the forex market is at what? The support, the base is the best place. So you can see it here. Okay, let me bring out some line. You can see it here when the market gets to this support, it's rejected and it buy all the way up. When it gets to this support, it buy all the way up. The same thing. When it gets to this down, it buy all the way up. So when it gets to this down, when we were looking at the market at this point, all right, I saw that this market was going to buy at this support. If it doesn't break this support, right, this trend, because you can see the major rejection here, one touch, two touch, this is the third touch, all right? This is when the market sank down. Liquidity came down. One thing about the forex market, one law about the forex market is that when liquidity comes down to the market, it could, when the buyer liquidity wants to come into the market, it will buy back and cover the wholesale that started from as liquidity or volatility that got into the market. So if volatility is into the market and it gets to this level, it's supposed to cover back. And that is the opposite of what the sell does, is what the buyers are going to do. And that's why this market is buying this high. Now, how we're able to catch on this trade, right? We got into the trade, this signal was sent, all right, on our VIP signal group. And this strategy and more information about this strategy, and there are some few things, okay, I had to remove from the chart before I started the video. So that if you want to know about these things that helped me to understand more about the market, you want to have this strategy, you want to know how it works, you want to see the way I see the market, you want to understand where I see the market, you have to get Synthetic Formula. It's an ebook, all right? When you purchase it, you can get it on your Gmail. So I got into the market. Let's get back. I got into this market at the support level here, and I put my stop loss below. I bought the market and I had to hold this trade. All right, I hold this trade, did some little retracement, hold, did retracement. See, it got to the resistance. Now, I was thinking on closing the trade when it got to this trend line, because sometimes the market can get to this trend line and start selling all the way back down. Do you understand? But I had patience to wait and see if the market will break above. And if the market break above, I will still hold it back to this level. And that was what happened. The market broke, all right, and got to this level, all right. I closed some position on this trade, and I saw the market coming back to retest this level. I wanted to get into the trade for a buy here, but I was not sure about it. Then it started buying all the way up, and I thought I've lost the opportunity, my second entry. All right, I thought I've lost my second entry on the trade. I'm not going to have any opportunity to get on the continuous buy, but the market favored me. All right. You see, one thing about the forex market, when you know what you're doing, the market can help you and you understand where to get in the best time. So I just had to wait for the market to come right down, and the market came down. The market came down, gave me another chance, and I got into the trade here. Put my stop loss right below this previous place I wanted to enter, because I was not able to get into the trade again. So I got into it and I'm holding it all the way to the top. all right, because you can see that blue line, this blue line, our TP, is the beginning of this whole downtrend, the double top that it formed here. This market is heading there, and that's where I'm going to take my profit. So I hope this video helped you. All right, I hope this video helped you and showed you the small rules involved in trading. If you made it to the end of this video, I want you to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you could get more videos whenever I drop them, you'll be notified. And please stay blessed, keep on trading. If you want our link to our Signal group, to our channel for free, it will be on the description down below. Just click the link, it will take you directly there. So stay blessed, keep on trading, and stay profitable. With your mentor, Marvin Mine, signing out.